the chat if you're learning something new. Put a 1 in the chat if you're not fave queen. Guys, please fave queen. Hit the fave and queen. Queen, real quick. I'm going to see my neck, my first girl. Jeff, are you in here? All right, queen. Okay. Little more. Little more. Little more.
Look like. Lick me more.
Little more. Little more. It's the judge of youngest baby. All right. Salute to the newest bad in the prison. Salute to the youngest VIP. The youngest bad. Guys, make sure you tap on youngest and hit him with a fave, guys. Salute to youngest. But yeah, look more. See you later. See you later, queen. See you later.
Talk to you later. See you later. Okay. Look more.
Which part today? Which part today? Which part today?
Which part you did?
Which part today? Which part today, queen?
Where are you? No.
Where are you? Where are you? Guys, make sure you tap on queen. Make sure you tap on queen. She know a little something. 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 Queen, thank you so much, guys. Make sure you
thank
queen
you,
with a she's a streamer on here. Thank you, youngest, guys. Make sure you fave youngest VIP is the newest appointed top badge that I was psychic to know.
Congratulations.
I don't know what that is. But guys, be a queen, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you, okay. I learned a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Love you, queen. Guys, make sure you fave queen. Alright. If you don't learn about something a while ago, if it makes sense, put on one in the chat. Let me know what's on in here. If it makes sense, if anything one me does to make little sense, put on one in the chat. If you're still in here, put on one in the chat. If you don't like what I want, put on one in the chat. If you're not grateful, say God go no health and strength. Only put on one in the chat. Me only see 1 and 2, 1 in the chat. I know people in here, 143. My team is supposed to see the chat run. Yeah. Again, welcome everybody to Yaad and Abroad with Kaysweetness. Now, guys, this young lady that I'm about to call up, I met her. I think I met her in a random because she was my fave and I was her fave. However, I was looking for somebody to be on my show. And you know, Kaysweetness no fan of girl and I look for people. So this young lady that I'm about to call up, her name is actually the country she's from, which is unique, right? Her name is the country where she's from, right? I went to her stream. She was so excited. Like, there's a lot of people on here that is really excited about talking about their culture, right? She's a wonderful young lady. She was super excited when I invited her to be a guest on my show. Now representing Argentina. Luckily for me, she speaks fluent English.